How's it going, guys? Long time no see. I feel like I haven't done a YouTube video in ages, and I just wanted to do a quick video because I wrote a book and I'm really proud of this book, and I just wanted to jump on just for a moment to talk directly to camera about what this book is and why I think you will like it. 2 years ago I set out to write a book that would be not just another gardening book about herbs. I think there's some fantastic books about how to grow herbs already. Myself and the publisher set out with a dream, and that dream was to write a love letter to herbs, to these amazing plants that you can see growing around me, these amazing plants that have shaped the last decade of my life. So we wrote the Herb Gardening Handbook. And this book is a book of two halves. It does contain some knowledge and information about how you can grow your own herbs, but we wanted to put a lot of inspiration in there as well. So the start of the book will take you through the process of how you can grow these amazing plants, some general growing tips that I think will really enhance your herb growing. And then we move on to a number of really interesting projects that I have developed over the last 10 years. Projects that you can actually do yourself at home. Projects that you can do with very limited amounts of space. Projects like a bee buffet, providing a buffet for the bees, providing sources of food for the bees throughout the season. You can also build your own herby pizza pantry, herby hanging basket, and a mini herb flower farm as well. I hope you're intrigued because I really like the projects that are in this book. I wanted to make a few points about this book really quickly. When writing a book, you've got to strike a balance between authority and accessibility. What does that mean? Well, you can fill a book with long Latin names and technical terminology that will make me look clever. But I really want to make this book accessible, and I think I've achieved that. The design team behind this book have produced a book that I hope you'll agree is actually quite beautiful. They've put so much hard work into this, and I hope that you enjoy reading this book as much as I enjoyed writing it. It really has been a labour of love, and the reason that I wanted to actually film this video in this polytunnel is because I actually wrote most of this book while sitting here last summer in this polytunnel surrounded by the plants. So I really hope that you enjoy this book. So there you have it, guys. That is the Herb Gardening Handbook by Andrew Perry. Me. I still can't believe that I wrote this book, and I just really hope that you guys enjoy it as much as I enjoyed writing it, seriously. Thank you so much for all the positive energy and support, for all those of you who've already received this book and have sent a message saying that you enjoy it. I think this book's quite good, and I hope you do too.